many factors of 360? How many factors of 360? How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? Another variety of questions. Concepts in our class. How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? 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 In the last question, anything else is pending? Right. So I think in the last question I made a mistake. Satish has pointed out. Let us see. N is nothing but I made a mistake. Calculation please cover, sir. 2 power 7 into 3 power 6 into 5 power 4. So 100k. 100k is 2 square into 5 square. Remaining is 2 power 5 into 3 power 6 into 5 square. So it is nothing but 6 into 7 into 3. Satish, you are right, I am wrong. Answer is 126. There is a calculation mistake. There is a calculation mistake. Please take it. Calculation mistake. I hope it is clear, right, sir? 2 square into 5 square, remaining is 2 power 5. It is 3 power 6 and remaining is 5 square. 6 into 7 into 3. You are right and I am wrong, Satish. Calculation mistake is there. Next one. How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? Another variety of question. Right? Another question. How many factors of 360? How many factors of 360 is nothing but these are nothing but factors of 360. These are nothing but factors of 360. These are nothing but factors of 540. These are nothing but factors of 540. Next is nothing but how many factors of 360 are not factors of 540. This region we want. How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? So these are nothing but. These are nothing but. Answer for this question is nothing but total factors of 360. Total factors of 360. Total factors of 360 is nothing but this circle. This entire circle. In this entire circle, this region I have to subtract. These are nothing but the factors common to 360 comma 540. These are nothing but factors common to 360 comma 540. Factor common to 360 comma 540 is nothing but HCF of 360 comma 540, which is nothing but 180. Factor common and which is highest to 360 and 540 is 180. What is the 360? 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. What is the factor? What are the factors for 360, which is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2, which is nothing but 24. Factor common to 360, 540 is 180. 180 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. What are the factors common to 360, 540, which is 180? So which is nothing but 3 into 3 into 2. 24 minus 18, which is nothing but 6. Which is nothing but 6. I hope it is clear. Total factors of 360. Total factors is nothing but this one minus delete this region. What is this region? This region is common to 360 and 540. Region common to 360 and 540 is nothing but factor common to 360, 540, which is 180. What are the factors common to 360 and 540? 180. 180 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. So what will be the answer? 3 into 3 into 2, which is 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. I hope it is clear. Factors. What are the concepts that we discussed? Still we will take 4 important varieties today. What are the concepts we discussed right now? First we discussed what is a factor. Next we discussed how to determine the odd factor, how to determine the even factor. Then we checked how to determine the prime factor and how to do the composite factor. Then we did factor which are multiples of k, factors which are multiples of k, and factors which are not multiples of k, factors which are not multiples of k. What did we discuss next one? A perfect square factors. A factors for perfect square will always be an odd number of factors. If a natural number has got odd number of factors, the number will be a perfect square. Then we also discussed how to find out the factors which are perfect cubes, how to find out the factors which are perfect cubes, factors which are ending with k number of zeros, which could be 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros, and so on, ends with k number of zeros, and miscellaneous problems. These are the introductory problems. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. A number is given, we found out factors. A number is given, we found out factors. A number is given, we found out factors. Type 2. Reverse we will do. Reverse we will do. I hope the logic is clear. Reverse also we will do. Reverse. Reverse. Reverse we will do. Reverse is nothing but first type number is given, first type number is given, factors we found out, number is given, factors we found out. Now the reverse approach is factor will be given, factors will be given, factors will be given, factors will be given, number we have to find it out. Reverse case, factors will be given, number we have to find it out, number we have to find it out, number we have to find it out. Reverse. Type 2 is a little intermediate to advanced level type. I want every student to listen carefully to this. Listen carefully to type 2. Type 2 is little difficult to understand, but once you understand it is easy. It is easy. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. First, concept. Please write down concept. 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 When I am discussing a concept, kindly allow me to discuss. I will discuss one by one. Right? Unless I complete the basic and intermediate level, I will not get into the high level question. This is for Anil Sharma. Concept. Suppose if n is 2 power 4, what are the factors we got? Factors we got are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Total 5 factors are there. If 5 factors are there, 5 can be written as only 1 into 5, 1 into 5. If I got 1 here, the power should be 0. If I got 5 here, the power should be 4. Are you all with me? This is anyway one factor. If the power is 4, then I will get 5 factors. If the power is, suppose if for example, listen carefully sir, if it is 12, 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. It is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. Totally how many factors I got? 6 factors I got. 6 factors I got. 6 factors I got. These 6 can be written as like this: 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. If 1 means power should be 0, 6 is nothing but power should be 5. Are you all with me? Because 0 to 0 it is 1, 1 into 6. If it is 2, power is nothing but 1. If it is 3, power is nothing but 2. Are you all with me? Right? 0 to 1 is 2 cases, 0 to 2 is 3 cases. If you observe, this 12 is a classical example of this case. Factor will be given, we have to find out the number. Factor will be given, we have to find out the number. Factor will be given. We have to find out the number. Again, I will start from basic. I will get into the next level. If 6 factors are there, write down that factors. Right? Till further, you cannot break it. 5 is 1 into 5. You cannot break 1. You cannot break 5. 6 is 1 into 6. 6 can be broken as a 2 into 3. We will solve as many questions as possible so that kids will be extremely clear. If a factor is given, how to find out the number. If factors are k, power will be k minus 1. If the factors are 10, power will be 9. Are you all with me? Power will be 9 or the other factors of 9. Problems. One by one we will discuss. Problems. First one. How many natural numbers has exactly 3 factors? How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers has exactly 3 factors? How many natural numbers has exactly 3 factors? Has exactly 3 factors. Listen carefully. Unless you understand the basic, high level will be very difficult. How many natural numbers has exactly 3 factors? 3 is nothing but 1 into 3. They cannot be decomposed further. 1 means power will be 0. 3 means power will be 2. P1 power 2. Are you all with me? P1 power 2. What is P1 here? P1 is nothing but a prime number. P1 is nothing but a prime number. Let us take it as how many natural numbers less than 50. How many natural numbers less than 50 has exactly 3 factors? How many natural numbers less than 50 has exactly 3 factors? So P1 square, write down all the number. 2 square is less than 50. 3 square is less than 50. 5 square is less than 50. 7 square is less than 50. 11 square is 121. It is not less than 50. Totally how many numbers are there? 4. Totally how many numbers are there? 4. Again I am explaining. If the answer got 3 factors, 3 is nothing but 1 into 3. 3 means, just think logically, 3 means power should be 2, right? P1 power 2. P1 power 2. Only P1 power 2 will be there. What is a P1? P1 is a prime number. P1 is a prime number. So all the prime square of a prime numbers, the square of a prime number has exactly 3 factors. Square of a prime number has exactly 3 factors. Very, very important note. Square of a prime number will have exactly 3 factors. Square of a prime numbers will always have exactly 3 factors. I hope the idea is clear. How many? Next one. How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 100? Less than or equivalent to 100 has exactly 5 factors. Or exactly 4 factors, let us do. Has exactly 4 factors. Has exactly 4 factors. Listen carefully. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 100 has exactly 4 factors. 4 is nothing but 1 into 4. 4 is nothing but 4 can be decomposed further 2 into 2. 1 means power will be 0. 4 means power will be 3. P1 power 3. P1 power 3. What is P1 here? P1 is nothing but a prime number. P1 is nothing but a prime number. What are all the cases I will get? 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 5 cube is 125. So only 2 cases with the first case. Here it is a 2. 2 means power should be 1. P1 power 0, P1 power 1. Again it should be P2 power 1. 0 to 1, 0 to 1. I hope it is clear. So totally how many cases I will get? What are P1 and P2? P1 and P2 are nothing but prime numbers here. P1 and P2 are nothing but prime numbers here. So first case 2 into 3. Next is 2 into 5. Next is 2 into 7. Less than or equivalent to 100, right? So 2 into 11. 2 into 11. 2 into 13. 2 into 17. 2 into 19, 2 into 19, let us write, and so on. So total how many cases I will get? 2 into 47 is 94. 2 into 47. Similarly, I will get the case 3 into 5. Next is 3 into 7. 3 into nothing but 31. I hope you are all with me. Little bit of counting is required here. 31. Next is 37. It will be over. Next is 5 into 7. 5 into 19 I will get. Next is 7 into 11 I will get. 7 into 13 I will get. These are the cases. Total counting cases will be this many. I hope it is clear. Logic is clear. If a number has got 4 factors, power will be 3 or power will be 1. P1 power 1 into P2 power 1. Power will be 3 or power will be P1 power 1 into P2 power 1. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right? Power will be 3 or power will be 1 and 1. Any doubt? Any doubt in this question? No need to worry. Still we will solve more and more questions. It will be clear. Little bit of counting is required in this question. Third one. What is the smallest natural number? Third question. What is the smallest natural number? What is the smallest natural number? What is the smallest natural number with exactly 8 factors? What is the smallest natural number with exactly 8 factors? Smallest natural number with exactly 8 factors. Smallest natural number with exactly 8 factors. Again listen carefully. 8 is nothing but 1 into 8. 8 can be decomposed as 2 into 4. 4 can be decomposed as 2 into 2. 3 possible cases are there. 8 means power will be 7. Are you all with me? 2 means power will be 1. 4 means power will be 3. This is nothing but P1 power 1, P2 power 1 and P3 power 1. 3 cases. Question is smallest natural number. Here P1, P2, P3. Here P1, P2, P3 are prime numbers. Here P1, P2, P3 are prime numbers. So what will be the case? Let us see. Here P1 power 7. It will be 2 power 7. Lowest prime number is 2. Here because it is lowest, I will give 2 cube into 3 power 1. What is the lowest 3 different prime numbers? 2 into 3 into 5. Lowest is nothing but 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 3 is nothing but 24. Answer is lowest natural number. Lowest natural number is nothing but 2 cube into 3. I hope it is clear. We are using fundamental principle of counting only better here. We are using fundamental principle of counting. Slightly intermediate level question. Previous question we got a number. We found out factors. Now factors will be given. We have to find out the number. I hope it is clear. Next. Write down the next question. Next. How many 2-digit numbers? How many 2-digit numbers has 6 factors? Try to solve this question. How many 2-digit numbers has 6 factors? How many 2-digit numbers has exactly 6 factors? How many 2-digit numbers has exactly 6 factors? Listen carefully to this question, Jagrat. It will be clear. Maybe you are first time listening to the class. So many classes are over. My students already knows the fundamentals of factors. So I cannot just afford to solve a little higher level questions concentrating on you alone only. Listen to this question. It will be clear. There is no permutation and combination. I have already answered 3 to 4 times. It is a fundamental principle of counting. 6 factors. 6 factors is nothing but 6 is nothing but 1 into 6. 6 can be decomposed further. It is 2 into 3. So 1 means power will be 0. 6 means power will be 5. First case is P1 power 5. P1 is a prime number. P1 is a prime number. P1 is a prime number. Lowest prime number is 2. So 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 means power will be 1. 3 means power will be 2. 3 means power will be 2. Now, what is the question that he is asking? How many 2-digit numbers? Now you know all the possible case that you can do it. P1 is 2. So first it will be 2 into 3 square. Next number it can be 2 into 5 square. Next number it will be 2 into 7 square. Next number P1 I can take 3. 3 into 5 square. Next if I take 3 into 7 square I will get it. Next if I take 5 into 7 square, it is nothing. It is greater than 100. So total how many cases I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many 2-digit numbers has got 6 factors? Right? How many 2-digit numbers has got 6 factors? 3 into 5 square. I hope it is clear. Jagrit, avoid cluttering the live chat with too many messages. Right? Too many messages will create irritation not only for you, for others. Right? 2 into. How many 2-digit numbers has got 6 factors? 6 factors is nothing but 1 into 6, 2 into 3. 6 means power 5. In case if you are looking for IIT JEE classes, I conduct classes for the students who are in final year of graduation. These are not and case, do not miss. Anish has pointed out, yes, so it can be 3 into 2 square, it can be 3 into 5 square. This can also be a case. Yes, we have 3 into 5 square we have taken, right? So answer is 6. Be careful with the counting based problems. Like me, you might miss out some cases. Right? That also case we have to take on it. You are right. Calculation mistake, you please take care. I hope you have understood the logic. I hope you have understood the logic. Idea clear, right? Idea clear? Idea clear? Can I go to the next one? Can I go to the next one? Amit, you are right. We have to take 3 into 5 square also. Next question. Next one. Calculation. You please check it out, sir. If any case, if I ignore it, please kindly take care. If the number of factors, next one. If the number of factors of n is 13, if the number of factors of n is 13, find the number of factors for n square. Find the number of factors for n square. Find the number of factors for n square. If the number of factors of n is 13, find the number of factors for n square. Find the number of factors for n square. 13 is nothing but 1 into 13. 13 cannot be decomposed further. So the number will become P1 power 12. It is nothing but n. Now I want n square. N square is nothing but P1 power 24. 0 to 24. How many will be the answer? 25 factors will be the answer. 25 factors will be the answer. 25 factors will be the answer. So 13 is nothing but 1 into 13. 13 will be P1 power 12. N square will be P1 power 24. P1 power 24 will be 0 to 24. Total I will get 25 cases. Total I will get 25 cases. I hope it is clear. Right. Next, little bit of tough question. Right, next one. Next question. If the number of, if n has 15 factors, if n has 15 factors, if n has 15 factors, Find the number of factors for 16n. 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 So try to solve this question. These are nothing but, once you understand, it is easy. 1 is 1 into 15. 15 can be decomposed further, which is 5 into 3. So 15 is nothing but P1 power 14. This is nothing but the n. This is nothing but P1 power 4 into P2 power 2. P2 power 2. So we require 16n. 16n. 16n is nothing but 16 into P1 power 14. 16 into P1 power 14, or it is nothing but 16 into P1 power 14 into P2 power 2. I hope it is, P1 power 4 into P2 power 2. P2 power 2. P2 power 2. Case number 1. Case 1. Case 1 will be, if P1 is 2, it is nothing but 16 into 2 power 14. 2 power 4 into 2 power 14. 2 power 18. Total number of factors will be 19. Case 2. If P1 is not equivalent to 2, 16 is 2 power 4, it is P1 power 14. Answer will be 5 into 15, which is 75. 75. I hope two cases are clear for case 1 and case 2. I hope it is clear, right sir? Next, case 3. Case 3. What is case 3? Case 3 is 16n. 16 is nothing but 16 into P1 power 4 into P2 power 2. In that one, if P1 equivalent to 2, I will get the cases 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into again 2 power 4 into P2 power 2. 8 means 9 into 3. I will get total 27. If P1 is not equivalent to 2, if P1 is not equivalent to 2 and P2 is equivalent to 2, answer will be 2 power 4 into 2 square into P1 power 4, which is 2 power 6 into P1 power 4, 7 into 5, 35. Second case. Third case. P1 is not equivalent to 2. P2 is not equivalent to 2. Fourth case. P1 is equivalent to 2. P2 is equivalent to 2. I hope the concept is clear, right sir? Little bit of calculation is required. I hope you have understood the concept. Multiple cases I will get it. Multiple cases I will get it. Multiple cases I will get it. You cannot say which one will be the answer. N has got 15 factors. 15 is nothing but 1 into 15 and 5 into 3. 15 is P1 power 14. 5 into 3 will be P1 power 4 into P2 power 2. P1 power 4 into P2 power 2. What are P1, P2 here? They are prime numbers. They could take 2, they might not take 2, they might take any values. Right? And number is there. This natural number has got x factors. This natural number has got x factors. I squared this number. If I square this number, I got p number of factors. I got p number of factors. P number of factors. X plus p is nothing but 34. X plus p is nothing but 34. What is the nature of n? What is the nature of n? What is the nature of n? Odd number, even number, perfect square, like that it is there. Beautiful question, sir. N is a natural number, number of factors are x. If I square it, I will get p factors. X plus p is 34. Listen carefully. X plus p is 34. Logically we will solve. 34 is an even number. 34 is an even number. N square is a perfect square. n square is a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, it will always have odd number of factors. So the nature of P is odd. Something plus odd is even. That something x nature should be. Number of factors should be odd. Odd plus odd only is even. Odd plus odd only is even. Are you there with me? Number of factors x will be odd. X will be odd. If the number of factors are odd, what will be the nature of n? Nature of n will be a perfect square. I hope it is clear. Nature of n will be a perfect square. Very, very good intermediate level questions. It is not like that we should discuss only the basic level questions and make students think that only basic questions will be asked. Intermediate and advanced level questions also we need to discuss. N is a natural number. Number of factors are x. If I square that natural number, it will be p. What is the nature of n? Nature of n is a perfect square. Very, very good logic. Number and question given is x plus p is 34. Question given is x plus p is 34. 34 is an even number. 34 is an even number. N square is a perfect square. A perfect square will always have odd number of factors. A perfect square always will have odd number of factors. So P nature will be odd. This is even. Something plus odd is even. That something has to be odd. So X will be odd. Number of factors will be odd. If the number of factors are odd, then the number will be a perfect square. Then the number will be a perfect square. I hope the logic is clear. If a number is 12, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 12, if I write it as a power of prime basis, which is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Let me add all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to 2. So this will become 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. This is nothing but 3 power 0, 3 power 1. Let me see what is happening if I do like this. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4. This is nothing but 1 plus 3. So if I multiply it, 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. What are all these? All these is nothing but the sum of the factors of 12. Sum of the factors of 12. So instead of adding this, you can add all the powers of a prime base starting from 0 to a given number, then go to the next prime base starting from 0 to a given prime number. I hope the logic is clear. I hope the logic is clear. If n is nothing but 144, 144 is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square, 2 power 4 into 3 square, sum of the factors for 144. Sum of the factors for 144, sum of the factors for 144 will be starting from 0 to 4, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Next thing is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. I hope the idea is clear. Sum of the factors.
Clear, right? So 2 power 0 to 2 power 4 and 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. Idea is clear, right? These all the concepts at a single place you might not get it. Ensure that you attend the class. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Raj, you can mention your doubt right now, beta. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Suppose, example, if I take the number as 12, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. 1 by 1, next is 1 by 2, next is 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and 1 by 12. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 12. If I take the reciprocal, D is nothing but 12. D is nothing but 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. D is nothing but sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is nothing but sum of the factors by the number. Very, very important point, please mention. Raj Sharma, you can write your doubt right now, sir. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is nothing but sum of the factors by the number itself. Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is nothing but sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number. Very, very important point. This is Sn by n. Listen carefully, sir. Sn by n. Plus 1 is not required. Sn by n. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors value comes out to be 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Then the number is said to be a perfect number. Then the number is said to be a perfect number. A perfect number. A perfect number. A perfect number will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. This number has to be a prime number. This number has to be a prime number. This number has to be a prime number. A perfect number will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Listen carefully to this note. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, if 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, p may or may not be a prime number. Sorry, p has to be a prime number. Reverse. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, p has to be a prime number. P has to be a prime number. P has to be a prime number. Reverse. If p is a prime number, if p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be a prime number. Listen carefully to this point. May or may not be a prime number. May or may not be a prime number. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, p has to be a prime number. If p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be a prime number. May or may not be a prime number. I hope the logic is clear. For example, if p is 11, 2 power 11 minus 1, which is 2048 minus 1. 2048 minus 1, 2047. 2047 is a composite number. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, p will be a prime number. If p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be prime. 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be a prime. I hope the logic is clear. We will do a last question for today. Sn by n is 2. Sn by n is 2. 450 less than n less than 500. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Sn by n is 2. 450 less than n less than 500. Find the value of n. If Sn by n is 2, n will be a perfect number. What will be the perfect number? It is nothing but 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. So let us take some numbers. P equivalent to 2. I will get 6. 6 does not lie. P equivalent to 3. 7 into 4, 28. It does not lie. P equivalent to 5, which is 16 into 31, which is 496. Which is 496. 496 is the answer. I did not do it when it came in the exam. A perfect number always ends with. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. Please write down. There is only one option 6. I tick marked this. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. I hope the concept is clear. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by Sn by n. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors comes out to be 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. A perfect number will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. This number has to be a prime number. Two important points. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, p will be a prime number. If p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be a prime number. This is the example to prove that statement and a question. I hope it is clear, right, sir?